welcome back to another section of Uncle Sam's Math Tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook at Uncle Sam's Math Tutorial. It's here on the screen. Please look for it as it's a page so we can interact more. Now, in today's class, we'll be discussing the basic operation in positive and negative numbers. Just like I introduced last week what positive and negative numbers are. We're going to be solving some examples there. So, first example is bracket plus 8, positive 8 plus bracket positive 8. Now, what do we do in this case? The first thing we need to do is what? To solve for this, because there's no preceding number before plus 8. We're going to solve this first. What do I mean by solving it? We're going to do positive times positive first. So we'll be left with what? One sign. I hope you're following what I'm doing. Because this multiplication sign, this plus, this bracket here, there is what? An invisible multiplication sign here. So this plus is actually multiplying this plus inside. So we're going to be left with what? Plus 8, then plus times plus is what? Plus. Then we are left with what? 9. Because we cannot have two signs. We have to reduce it, compress it to become 1. And that is what we just did here. So plus 8 plus 9 is going to give us what? Plus what? Plus 17. So that is it. So remember, this plus does not affect this. It is transitioning from this way. So this plus only affects the number here. I hope you're following. Then let's do the same thing for here. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring this one out of the bracket, minus 2, then affect this one. Plus times minus, as I said earlier in the last video, plus times minus will give us what? Minus. So we have reduced this plus and minus here to give us one sign that we need to solve. And that is negative. So minus 2 minus 8 is going to give us minus 10. I hope you are following. The next one is this. Minus 15 divided by what? Minus 5. Now let's arrange it. Remember, the one on the left hand side will be up, be the numerator, while the one on the right hand side will now become the denominator. So what do you think we will do here? Yes, 5 can divide. 5 divided itself is 1. 5 divided 15 is 3. But there's also another thing that can cancel out. Minus will cancel out minus. And you are going to be left what? With just plus. Because the answer is 3. And I told you, when you have just a number without any sign attached to it, it is automatically what? Positive. Because positive is always what? When it's affecting just a number, it's invisible. But negative number, negative is always what? Visible. You can see it. It's not hiding. But positive, when it's just in one number, it goes into what? Invisible state. Now, let's affect this last one. Remember, we are transitioning from this way. So first of all, write my 2 here, which is same thing as positive 2. Then I'll first of all affect these two signs, so that I'll compress it to become one sign. Plus times minus will give us what? Minus. So I'll write my 8. Then minus times minus will give us what? Plus. I hope you're following. So I can solve this first. I can rearrange this to mean 2 plus 6 minus 8. And of course, 2 plus 6 will give us 8. So it's 8 minus 8, which is going to give us what? 0. So that is how you can solve for basic operation in positive and negative number. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.